Okay, so today we're gonna create a form, and we learn that how to create a form in React. Okay, so in order to that, we can create a folder over here within the source folder, and we can name it like component, right? And within this component, we can create another folder which can say like form, or like product form. So product form. Okay, and within this we can create our component called product form dot .jsx. Perfect. So here we need to create the form, and I'm using kind of like the snippets to generate this, like this away. Okay, so within this form, what we need to do, we need to give some text fields, I guess. So let's start with the input type text, and the placeholder should be like name, and copy this like this way. Let's say suppose name, and we can say like product name, and here we can say quantity. Here we can say like what we can say price, and
Price
right
button.
here we can have value that calls add, and instead of text it could be a button.
Button.
Within this form we can have one h1 tag also that's saying add pro. Also good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so for all of them, for every field we gonna maintain a state. So for that we need a use hook, and we can create here like 3 hooks. So use state using the snippet that says like for the name, set name, and initial name will be empty string,
Is
right?
empty string.
Yeah, that's so cool. So we can do same for the other thing also, like for the
Quantity.
quantity, and maintain like this away. And here also, if I go like this, use state snippet, and we'll see price tab, and this will be empty string. So far so good. And now we need to handle the on click on this button. Let's suppose we're gonna write on click equals to a method that says add product, right?
Right, sir.
So here we're gonna create a method also that says add product, and let's make add product. We'll be doing something. Okay, and now first we need to bind these states with these fields. Okay, so what we will do, we'll set their values as the state we have given to them.
Yes, name, quantity, price.
Yeah, exactly. Those value, and here will be price. Okay, so this way it will be binding the values as per the state, but all the inputs will remain same because it is stick to the empty string. If we
Yes.
want to try over there, like we want to try to change the value, it won't change because it again set to the this empty string.
Empty
We
string.
need to write the on change over here. So whenever it changes, okay, we have to run this function. And within this function, we will be having an event. Okay. And what we need to do, we need to set the name. And how we will set the name? Event
Dot target dot value.
dot value. I hope it's clear now. So like from here to here, I can copy, and I need to repeat the same for the other things also. And for the quantity, I need to set the quantity. Set quantity. Why it's coming with the smaller case? Can we check? Yeah, here is the problem. Need to set it like this way. Okay. And for the price, we can set price. Okay. So hope this is all okay. Let's jump into the app.js and create one state over here. So here we can write like use states, snippets of course, and we need to create this state for the products. And initially it will be empty array. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Here also we're gonna create a method called add product, because we have the array where we can add this product actually. So it will take a product, and what it do? It actually set products. Set products. And how will it set? It will give it another array, right? No.
Okay.
And within this, the earlier elements of the products, and it will push the new element also. And that is it. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So,
But sir, this product value is this function product.
yeah, it's still we are not having this product where we can get this product. So for that, we need to pass this add product method within the product form component. So let's have product form here. So it will automatically get imported on the top. And now we pass add product as a prop. Okay. And this how we send this method to the product form JSX. Okay. And here we can get this thing like this way. Hope you know this.
Yes, sir.
Right? And here what we can do within this add product, which is having no parameters, and we can say like add product props will have an object, right? No.
Yes.
So we need to give them an ID of the product. Okay. So we can have the, a unique ID. So for that, I'm giving like new space date dot get time. So it will give us a unique ID. Okay. And then name,
Yes.
comma, quantity, comma, price. Okay. So key value, key value, key value, right? It will set
Yes.
to the add product prop. And that is it. Okay. And let's try to run this. Let's suppose in the Google Chrome. Here add product, we have the heading, and let's try a product. Let's suppose pen. Sorry, pen, and the quantity will be like 100 and price will be like 10 rupees. And when I do add, when I do add, it happened, but we didn't, actually maintain that's what going on. But let's just check here. Like we can check in the components, and we go to product form. So we'll have 10, 110, which is okay. We go to app, and here we have a state, and within that state you can see that we have one product having ID this, name this, quantity this, and price this. So we have done this. Okay,
Yes.
right? So that's how it will be added. So let's improve this method. Instead of just single line in this cut, we can have like multiple lines this away. Okay, and here we can write like this, and then we can say like alert for the product name. So we can say like dollar product dot name, okay, is added successfully. Sounds good. Okay, save it. Okay, so that this will say that product is product name, let whatever the product name, let's suppose is a pen, will be added successfully. And after that we need to do something also.
Print the.
So let's suppose here when you do this add product, okay, when you tap on this add product, then you pass the JSON to the parent, right now. So here also let's do some detailing. Instead of a single method, we do like this. We added here, and after this what we have to do, we need to set name as empty again, set price. Why I'm doing this? Any idea, Mohit?
No, sir.
So what you can see in the execution, have a look. When we already added it, but still the values are here.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
It should get reset. Right, no?
Yes, sir.
So for that part, what we need to do, we need to reset them, all of these states.
Set property to empty string. Right,
Yes.
sir.
Right, no? So let's save
Yes.
it and now check on the browser. And let's refresh this. So all went okay. So now here if I add pen, quantity 100 and price is 12 rupees, let's suppose, and then enter. So it reflects like pen is added successfully. If I press OK, and then all went out from the screen.
Yes, sir.
And here we can check the states, like in the products, now nothing. But in the app, if we go, there is a state, and within this we have one product. Getting it? With the price 12.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so far so good. And now we need to do something, that we need to print the products in the bottom. Okay, after this. So let's forget about this product form now, and let's jump into a new folder that says product list, and item. That will be a product list item only. Okay, so in this, let's create another file. Let's call product list item.jsx. Perfect. So here I'm doing RAFC for the code snippets, right? And here, what we need to do, we just need to print all of the things. And how? So what we can do, we can write like, let's suppose we'll have within this, we have item. And here we need to print the, everything is in a div. So div, and then item dot name. Similarly, another div. No dollar, because we are not using backticks, we are using this way. So item dot let's suppose quantity, right now, and then div item dot price, right? Okay, so this is your product list item. Okay, and let's jump into the app.js. Right after this product form, what we do have, we have this products. So this is a JavaScript, and we need to import it here within the HTML or the JSX. So what we need to do, we need to add the curly brackets. Okay, so in the curly brackets, now we can access this products. Okay, so let's do products. Okay, and on all the products, we need to map them. Okay, what we need to do?
Map all of these three things.
So it will give us a method which will having an item as a parameter, and that item will be a product, of course. In the products array, what we are having, products, of course, and that will return us the new tag that we just created, which is product list item. And you can see it's automatically get reflected over there. And that's how. This product list item is expecting a parameter called item, right? No?
Yes.
So here we need to pass the item, and that item will be product. Got it?
Yes, sir.
And whenever whenever we have to do this map, and we need to print the React components again and again, we need to pass one thing that is called key. We have to pass it, and which should be unique. So for this, we have product dot ID, which is actually unique. We created right now.
Yes, sir.
So this key is important. Never forget this, that why it is giving an error while we are looping through on the products and want to print the components again and again. So key basically is used to optimize your solution, your DOM. So this should be unique. So whenever you are inserting anything into the DOM, it checks that whether it is already there or not. If it is not there, then only it pushes. If it already there, it doesn't pushes. So this is again a key feature to optimize your redundancy. Okay, so now let's just save this, and let's just try that will it be working or not. You can see that pen 112 is already here
Okay.
right now, but let's just try with the new product. We can say like pencil, and we have 25 is the quantity, and we have 5 rupee as a price. When we add pencil is as it successfully, when we say okay, pan 112, pencil 25. Can see this?
Yes, sir.
So it's going so seamless, so cool and beautiful. Okay, and within the product list item, let's add one more thing. let's have this div, and within this div we can have like input type equals to, let's suppose, button. Can we do this?
Yes.
So here we, let's suppose, write delete, and we have like this way. And here what we can do, we can write on click, right? And delete product. Similarly, what we have done with the product form, we need to do the same. We need to create a method here also and in the app.jsx also. So let's create this method. So this method will having nothing from here, and then here what we need to do, we need to pass this item. Okay, whatever is clicked, we need to pass that item, that find this item. Okay, and we can even just pass the ID only. So by that ID it can find that item. Okay, right? So we can say like but first we need to create a method from here also. Like as we have the add product, we can have the const delete product. Okay, and let's do one thing, that this will have a product or ID, whatever. So let's suppose we are passing the ID. Well, let's suppose we are passing the entire product. So now we need to, what we need to do, we need to set product for sure. But first we need to find that product, right? Or what we can do, we can filter it out. Okay. So how we will filter? So we'll do products dot filter. Okay. So as in map, when we ran the map, so in the products.map, we got the parameter as product. Similarly, here also, like for the product.filter, we have the parameter got filter product. Okay. And we need to return those elements which ID is not equals to the given product ID. Okay. Product.id not equals to see, here is also a product, and here also we are taking as a product, so we can have like product item. So product item dot id should not equal to product dot id. Triple link double. Okay, Mohit, so do you understand what we have done here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what we are doing, actually we are filtering the products, and if this product is not equal to, then only we accept the products. That is saying, just remove that ID only and accept all others. So we are setting into the products, and similarly we can alert a message after this, and we can say that product.name is added, is removed successfully, right? No.
Sir, but I didn't understand this double equals to and this icon.
See, what does it do? Let me tell you in here. Let's jump into console, and let's suppose I'm saying 2 equals to 2. This will give me true. Okay. If I'm saying 2 equals to string of 2, this will also give me true. Okay. But if I'm saying
Yes, sir.
2 equal 2, that gives me true, but for the different types it will give me false. So double equals to is actually comparing, and triple equals to is actually comparing with the type also.
Okay.
So value should be equal and the type should be the same. Then triple equals to give you true. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So here we know that ID are the same. ID should be same data types. So we can have double equal, not equal equals to. So if we just do not equals to, this will also run here, but we strictly checking that uh, both should be into the same data type, right? No.
Sir, we can also use 3 equals to.
See, we need to avoid na triple equals to saying that equal. I'm saying not equal. Product ID should not match with this product ID.
Okay, yes.
So we are filtering that out now.
Yes.
Okay. And now we need to pass this delete product to that component. So here we have passed key item, and now we have to pass delete product. We can say prop equals to delete product. Okay. So it will be having over here like item, comma, delete product prop. Okay. And now we can call it here. Like it's a single line method. So we can write like this way. Item. And that's it. Okay. And now let's just try this. So we have delete buttons over here. Okay. So let's suppose if I delete the pen, it says pen is removed successfully. Okay. So it went from here. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So it's very, very easy to handle things in React because it's based on states. So you just need to set the states like set products, and that will be automatically reflected to the components. Okay.
Mhm.
So this how you can do your changes, and now you can try with the edit also. Like in
Array.
yeah, edit. You can have one more button over here like edit, and
Oh.
there are two things. Like when you tap on the edit, it will reflect the values on the form, whatever you have here.
Mhm.
You set those value onto form, and then when you
Mhm.
add it, it should not create a new one. It should get updated on the earlier thing also as well, right? So there is a catch on the edit. So let's see that if you are able to do this, then it's okay. If not, then we'll do it tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Perfect. So any queries so far?
No, sir, not really.
Okay. So yeah. So let's just wind up this session, and we'll take a session tomorrow soon. So let me stop the recording then.